Hi friends, welcome to my Gemstone Deal channel. Today again with new video, new information. It is also very important for everybody's life in nowadays very complicated and nobody can face this situation, especially which I tell you now, and the solution of this situation. So that is debts. If you have any debts, you have to pay somebody and you cannot do it, you cannot success, you cannot earn that money that you can finish your debts. So for this kind of problem you can face, you can overcome if you wear this very nice stone. It is not basically a stone that is metal, but in gemstone category and gemstone field also can be used in many ways. You can use it. So the pyrite stone, we can say here, the pyrite stone you can use to clear your all debts in your life, and you can get easy, and you will get the occasions, you will get the chances to eradicate all your problems. So the pyrite you can see in the video, the color, and color is sometimes it is called fool's gold because it's just looking like golden color, and silver color also have. Both colors can be find out. You can wear both colors having the same effects on your body. So due to its gold like flags, pyrite attracts luck, success, wealth. Pyrite protects against debt and uses third eye chakra energy to attract prosperity. So this kind of problems you can solve. You can get success, you can get wealth, and as you can get luck, success and wealth, your all debts will be cleared. So guys, this is very interesting stone, very interesting and beneficial stone. You can wear, if you want to wear this stone, like 10 to 15 carat piece in ring, it enough for you. And the price should be $0.50 to $1 per carat. If you want to bracelet or pendant and any other way you want to use, you can get it 30 to 40 carat piece enough for you. The price already told, you can multiply 30 to 40 carat into $1 to $1.5 or $0.50 to $1, $1.5. Like this price can be multiplied and you will get it. It is very beneficial stone. The guys, if you like this video, interesting video, please share, and I already request you to subscribe my channel and get all the new fresh videos by hitting the bell icon button. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.